Let's talk about microbrains. Tiny nervous systems, often no bigger than a sesame seed, that are capable of remarkable feats. At first glance, we might think that intelligence has to do with size. The bigger the brain, the smarter the creature. But research into bees and other insects reveals something different. Small brains can do very big things. So, next time someone calls you a bird brain, just say, "Thank you." They might actually be complimenting your efficiency. For this video, let's start by defining and describing what microbrains are, then look at how they are used in visual processing, especially in bees. Next, we'll explore how these lessons are inspiring drones and robots. And finally, we'll end with a more speculative question, whether such small systems might teach us something about emergent consciousness. Part 1. Defining and describing microbrains. A microbrain is a nervous system with far fewer neurons than those found in mammals. Yet, it is still capable of complex behavior. A human brain has about 86 billion neurons. A bee's brain has under 1 million. A fruit fly's brain has around 100,000. And yet, these creatures navigate landscapes, recognize patterns, remember routes, and even solve simple problems. Microbrains remind us that efficiency, not size, can be the key to intelligence. It's not about brain size. It's about how you use it. This is similar to a smartphone. Some people can run a business on theirs, while others only use it to play Candy Crush. Part 2. Microbrains and visualization. So how do bees manage with so little? They rely on a strategy called active vision. Instead of passively absorbing an entire scene, they move their bodies, scanning, circling, hovering, to simplify what they see. For example, when asked to distinguish a plus sign from the letter X, bees don't analyze the whole shape. They focus only on the lower region where the difference is obvious. Their movement essentially does part of the computing for them. Vision is not just about eyes and brains. It's about movement and interaction with the environment. To put it another way, bees don't need 20/20 vision. They just need two twos, 2 wings and 2 compound eyes. Inspiring drones and robots. This has exciting implications for technology. Engineers are now designing drones that mimic bees. Instead of heavy sensors or GPS, these drones use scanning motions and lightweight visual processing. The result is navigation that is both cheap and energy efficient, powered by principles borrowed directly from nature. Who needs billion-dollar satellites when you can just copy a bug that works for pollen? In robotics, too, microbrains suggest a new path. Rather than building massive, power-hungry AI models, the aims now are leaner systems that achieve intelligence through movement, context, and efficiency. Part 4. Toward Emergent Consciousness. Now the speculative question. Can microbrains tell us something about consciousness? Bees can remember faces, plan routes, and make decisions. Some researchers suggest they may have a primitive form of subjective experience. If so, that means consciousness doesn't only arise from billions of neurons. It might emerge when perception, action, and learning are tightly integrated, even in tiny systems. And let's admit it, if bees really are conscious, then I guess every honey jar should come with a tiny philosophy degree. While a college degree may seem straightforward for artificial intelligence, the concept of bee consciousness presents a challenge. Perhaps our focus should shift from scale to embodiment and interaction. So, to summarize, microbrains show us that intelligence is possible with astonishingly few neurons. Bees demonstrate how active vision makes their tiny brains powerful. These lessons are already shaping drones and robots, pointing toward efficient designs. And finally, Microbrains invite us to ask bold questions about the emergence of consciousness itself. And remember, it's not the size of your brain that matters, it's the buzz you make with it. If you enjoyed this talk on microbrains and the big lessons they teach us, give it a like and subscribe. After all, even with a tiny click, you can make a big impact. Just ask the bees.